guys, it's Dr. Tesha here, and I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to adjust your school notifications because sometimes, if you're like me and you've got dozens of school communities that you are in, you get a lot of notifications, and you don't necessarily want to leave those schools, but you just don't want to get all those notifications. So, what you do to fix that is when you're on your tab, you can either do this from within the community that you want to adjust or just on your settings. But so I'm in a community. Let me see. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go to this community. And then you'll see underneath the upgrade button or whatever is here, you can select settings and then you can go to notifications. And in notifications, you can take off the daily notifications and the weekly and the admin and then the event email notifications. But you can decide which ones you want to leave on or off. And as well, you can decide whether or not you want members to be able to chat with you. You know, sometimes we get those chats, and so you can decide to turn that on or turn that off. Okay. So that is one way to do it. The other way to do this is to go to your settings. So go to your picture profile picture and then go to settings and then go to notifications. So then in notifications, you have, well, you not only have just for you, you can, get notified if you get a new follower, likes, or someone buys something, or you get an affiliate referral. And we like those notifications, but you can also customize here as well. Okay, so here, this is you're following the school owner, and then you have the same options that you had before, only you can do that for all of the communities that you are in. So I hope this helps you to be able to better manage your communities. And let me know what questions you have. Until we meet again,
what's up,
remember,
guys? It's
I
Dr.
want you to
Tesha
be
here,
seen,
and
I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to adjust your school notifications because sometimes if you're like me and you've got dozens of get paid with AI and you get a lot of it, remember, I don't necessarily want to leave those schools